Since the beginning, Hegemon 500 has witnessed a soaring growth rate and nothing else. With ever-increasing and ever-changing steel requirements of buyers, Hegemon 500 has also widened its arena and today suits all necessities for the construction of anything, anywhere.
Mittal Group has always seen growth in its financial structure and better quality products under his name. Mohit Ispat Limited is very established name in steel market. Now we have launched new brand H1 500. Because of better quality product, the company's growth charts are soaring high and high. Now we are planning to crossing our turnover limit 1000 to 1500 crores in this year. Company is also planning to launch its IPO, and because of demand of our new brand H1 500, I definitely says our financial structure will increase more growth.
From small houses to huge skyscrapers to meticulous mega constructions,
we dare, we strive with the quality that drives Hegemon 500. Hegemon 500, destined to be ahead. Come on, Hegemon.
today, Hegemon 500 is fast becoming the most used steel brand and is loved by various eminent construction companies. Moreover, we are the only steel brand in India which gives a warranty of fresh dispatch of steel lot in case of any default, which is almost impossible to happen though.
Hegemon 500.
Well, as an architect, I would like to say regarding the buildings, heavy structure buildings, heavy industries, and the other, infrastructure, whatever they come in the building industry. Three things are the main thing. One is the steel, second one is the cement, third one is concrete. So for that purpose, steel is the backbone of any infrastructure industries. Any big industries, any big buildings like multi-storied buildings and all these buildings. So in Goa, the Hegemon company, Goa's Mohit Ispat has brought a Hegemon TMT 500, which is Jung Nirodhak and tensile steel. It fulfills the ISI standards and the delivery schedule is very proper. And as an architect, I prefer the Hegemon steel to use in all buildings.
Moreover, through our well-coordinated advertising campaigns on television and print, Hegemon 500's popularity is spreading all over India. Hegemon 500 is tracing the road to success. The near future would witness production of many more products, not only in steel, but also in other sectors like plywood, pipes, paints, and cement.
Hegemon 500 का आधार ही है कि इसके अंदर मजबूती, बेजोड़ मजबूती, जो चाहे स्काई स्क्रैपर्स हों, चाहे एक व्यक्ति का मकान हो, उसके अंदर इतनी ताकत हो कि वो वर्षों मजबूती के साथ खड़ा रहे। मार्केट के अंदर मैंने इससे पहले भी कई ब्रांड्स दिए हैं, लेकिन इस ब्रांड के अंदर विशेषता सबसे बड़ी ये है कि इसके अंदर हमने जो अपनी रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट की टीम बनाई है, उसके अंदर बड़े बड़े हमारे देश के जो अच्छे से अच्छे साइंटिस्ट हैं, उनको मैंने इस रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट विंग के अंदर एसोसिएट किया है। और उनके बताए गए चेंजेस के हिसाब से हमने इस हैगमॉन 500 के अंदर चेंजेस किए हैं, जिससे इसके अंदर जो मजबूती और जो मुलायमियत आई है वो बेजोड़ है। और मैं इस बात का विश्वास भी करता हूँ और यकीन भी करता हूँ, इसकी बेजोड़ खासियतों को आप खुद देख करके मंत्र मुग्ध हो जाएंगे।